Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Riverside. Now, Riverside is all about creating your best content yet. Your online studio to record in high quality, editing in Flash and go live with a bang. Not necessarily in that order, of course. Now, what would you like to start creating? You can create podcasts, video interviews, social media clips, transcriptions, captions, AI short notes, video marketing and webinars. You can start for free, no credit card needed. Free plan is also available. Chosen by individuals and businesses like Netflix, Marvel, and the rest of them. Now, these videos are all made with Riverside. Now, you can record it. Studio quality separates audio and video tracks for each participant thanks to their local recording technology. And then you can edit it. Cut down editing time without losing out on editing capabilities, no any curve needed, and zero file transfer required. It also has text-based editing and multi-track editing. Editing is simplified in the blink of AI. There's AI voice for dubbing, text-to-speech in your own voice, no one else's, ideal for intros, outros, ad reads, and quick fixes. There's voice video dub to sync your lips to your AI voice for perfectly natural video audio harmony. Cleanup to get rid of needed silences and unnecessary filler words and get flawless flow. Captions, one click and your recordings captured, a few more and they're designed and animated. Magic audio, tune up your audio so that it sounds as if you recorded in a professional studio. So record, stream, edit all in one place. Start creating with Riverside today and you can go live. Stream your events and webinars in full HD from a fully organized studio, simulcasting, omnicast and omnichat and lots more included. You can start for free. You can see platforms. So publish and promote it very easily. They have AI show notes, transcriptions, magic clips. Like we said, it is great. So it is take one for the team. Everything you have to offer, everything they have to offer, plus seamless collaboration, advanced production controls, and all the security standards and support your business requires, you will get it at Riverside. So start creating with Riverside today.